Walking tall next to his mother, Enrique Quique Rodriguez is the picture of health. The 20-year-old South Texas college student who is studying to become a nurse has the whole world at his fingertips. But that wasn't the case nearly 16 months ago when his entire life changed in the blink of an eye. In September 2021, Quique was driving home after a night out when his car was struck by another vehicle involved in a police chase. For Quique, the night and the accident that nearly claimed his life are a complete blur.
It's still troubling for me to understand how serious it was. I just remember working out, and after working out with my friend, we went to Taco Palenque, and then after that, we went to his house, and then I went home, and that's it. That's all I remember.
Quique's mother, Citlali, describes the phone call she received about her son's grave car accident as excruciating, especially after rushing to the accident scene and seeing the wreckage of her son's vehicle.
First thing was the worry of a mother to know if my child was alive.
Quique was rushed to South Texas Health System McAllen, where the trauma team worked tirelessly to save his life, including performing brain and lung-related surgeries on him over the course of 48 hours and putting him in an induced coma for 4 days to let his body rest while lessening the risk of damaging effects to his brain.
I remember that first day that I saw him in the ER, I just wanted to hear him laugh. That's all I wanted. Every night I would have to tell myself, tomorrow's gonna be a better day. Tomorrow's gonna be a better day.
Quique would spend 2 weeks in the intensive care unit and an additional 4 days in the hospital's step-down unit before being transferred to STHS McAllen's inpatient rehabilitation floor for treatment.
After I woke up, I was really confused up until maybe 2 days before I left. I was discharged.
During his confusing time in the hospital, Quique had to relearn the basic skills he mastered as a child, like walking, eating, and talking.
And there's things that I could do before that I couldn't anymore. So it just kind of hit me it was kind of frustrating.
But Quique pushed through the frustration. Following his 32 days in hospital, Quique continued his rehabilitation program, attending sessions 3 times a week for 7 months at STHS McAllen's Outpatient Rehabilitation Center.
What motivated me the most was, I feel like it was myself and my family. And it was just both of my parents, they'd keep pushing me.
Today, Quique, having made a near full recovery, is back to his old self, and he's not taking his second chance at life for granted. Along with returning to the gym to regain his strength, he's back in school pursuing his nursing degree.
I never realized how life can be taken from you at any moment. It's definitely motivated me more to be a nurse. I want to be able to take care of people the same way that I was taken care of. I want to give back. What was given to me, I just want to, repay that.
Quique's mom, who was told his chances of survival were slim to none when he arrived in the ER, is counting her blessings. And she's eternally grateful to every staff member at STHS McAllen who helped her son heal, and those not involved in his care who stopped by to offer their love and support.
The doctors, the trauma doctors, the neurologists, every single one of the nurses, day shift, night shift, even those nurses that did not directly, cared for him, they were caring for him. They have a piece of my heart, definitely. I carry them with me every single day.